Okay. So this is question number 2. This is question number 2. Two x plus y dx minus x plus 6y dy. First of all, we'll prove that this is an exact differential equation. That will be considered as m. That will be considered as y. N. Sorry. So m is 2x plus y and n minus x plus 6y. If there is plus sign, we will consider only this one. If there is negative sign or there is negative sign, so negative sign must be taken over there. It is also the part. So dava m upon dava x, this is dx, so we'll take dy. Dava m upon dava y. This question, yes. Dava m upon dava y. This is 0. This is 1. So the answer is 1. Dava n upon dava x minus sign. The derivative of x is 1 with respect to x and the derivative of y is 0. The answer is minus 1. This is 1, this is minus 1. Both are not equal. Both are not equal. Dava m upon dava y is not equal to dava n upon dava x. 1, this is 1, this is minus 1. So they are not equal. Therefore, this is not an exact differential equation. Therefore, it is not an exact differential equation. This is not an exact differential equation. So finish. We do not solve it further. Okay. Basil Qureshi came. Hamza Khalid 64170. Saeed Naseem 61556. Okay. Junaid Furqan 64044. Okay, so that is not the exact differential equation, so we are not going to solve. Here we have to solve only which are the exact differential equations. Now the next question. So they are not equal, therefore this is not an exact differential equation. If it is not exact differential equation, so that means we are not solving it. It is written, determine whether they are the exact differential equation. If they are, then you are supposed to solve it. Now we will do the next question. Question number 3, 5x plus 4y dx plus 4x minus 8y cube dy equal to 0. 5x plus 4y dx plus 4x minus 8y cube dy equal to 0. So this will be considered as m 5x plus 4y, and this will be considered as n 4x minus 8y cube. So that was with respect to x. So we have to differentiate with respect to y. Dawa m upon dawa y. This is 0. This is 4. So the answer is 4. That will be differentiated. That was with dy. So we will differentiate with respect to x. This is x, 4. This is, there is no x, 0. So the answer is 4. Answer is 4. Both are equal. Dawa m upon dawa y is equal to dawa n upon dawa x equal to 4. Both are equal. Therefore, this is an exact differential equation. DE means differential equation. This is an exact differential equation. So therefore, we will solve it. So understood how to prove this is an exact differential equation? If the derivative of partial derivative of this one with respect to y is equal to the partial derivative of this one with respect to x are equal, so it will be an exact differential equation. Okay, now we will solve it. F of xy will be equal to integration of this one, or you may take this one, any one of them, no problem. So now we will take this one, no problem. 4x minus 8y cube dy. When we are integrating with respect to y, so we have to add g of x. If we integrate with respect to dx, so we have to add g of y. Okay, now we will integrate it. The derivative of 4x with respect to y will be 4xy minus the derivative of this, integration of 4x will be 4x, because we are integrating with respect to y, that will become 4xy, and integrating of 8y cube with respect to y, it will become 8y 4 upon 4 plus g of x. It will become 2. So f of xy will become 4xy minus 2y raised to power 4 plus g of x. Now we will differentiated with respect to, we integrated with respect to y, so we'll differentiate with respect to x. Dava f upon dava x. So derivative of this one, partial derivative of this one with respect to x, the derivative of x is 1, it will become 4y. The derivative of 2y 4 raised to equal to, sorry, there is no x, there is no x, we are differentiating with respect to x, so this is 0. And this is the function of x, so derivative with respect to x will be g dash x. So dava f upon dava x will become 4y plus g dash x. And that will be taken as equal to this one, 5x plus 4y, because we integrated with respect to y, that has been integrated, so derivative of this function will become equal to this one. Therefore 4y plus g dash x is equal to this one, 5x plus 4y. If we are integrating this one, so the derivative of with respect to s will become this one, equal to this one. 4y will be shifted on the other side, so g dash x is equal to 5x plus 4y, and that 4y will be shifted on the other side, minus 4y, cancel. So g dash x is equal to 5x. Therefore g dash x equal to 5x, integrating so g dash integrating g dash x equal to integrating 5x just wait. Okay, we will integrate both the sides. It will become 5x square upon 2. The integration of 5x with respect to x, integration of 5x with respect to x is become 5x square upon 2. That will be added over there, here. So that will be the final answer and equal to constant. So it will be added over there. We are continuing. So we found the value of g of x, that will be substituted over there. F of xy is equal to 4xy minus 2y4 plus g of x will be replaced by 5x square upon 2. So have you understood up to here? So that I can remove it. Understood? Okay. So this g of x is replaced by this one. Therefore, f of xy is equal to 4xy minus 2y4 and plus g of x is 5 upon 2x square. This is f of xy. And the final answer that will be equal to the integration of 0 4xy minus 2y4 plus 5 upon 2 x square equal to constant. This is the final answer, equal to constant. This is the final answer. Understood this one? Now the next question, sin y minus y sin x dx plus cos x plus x cos y minus y dy equal to 0. Question number 4. Question number 4. Sin y minus y sin x dx plus cos x plus x cos y minus y dy equal to 0. So generally we take the function associated with dx, we will consider it as x as m. So m of xy is equal to sin y minus y sin x, and the function associated with dy is considered as n. Okay, we'll find later. So we'll differentiate with respect to y. Dava m upon dava y. If it is associated with x, dx, that will be taken as partial derivative with respect to y. So sin y will be cos y minus. There is y, this is not y. So this will be considered as constant, not u into v. There is no y. So that will be considered as constant. So derivative of y will be 1. 1 into sin x will be sin x. This is the answer of dava m upon dava y. Now that will be considered as n. Cos x plus x cos y minus y. That is associated with dy. So we'll take that derivative with respect to x. So dava n upon dava x. That was dava y. This is dava x. The derivative of cos x will be minus sin x. Now the derivative x cos y. We are taking the derivative with respect to x, partial derivative with respect to x. Therefore, take the derivative of this one, that is considered as constant. So derivative of x will be 1. 1 into cos x will be cos x. And into minus derivative of y with respect to x will be 0. So that is equal to cos x minus sin x. This is the answer. So this is also dava m upon dava y is cos y minus sin x.